Alright guys, so we've come across to our open area this morning, our free ranging property. We're going to be mainly targeting Gamsbuck, Springbuck. You can see it's pretty open, yeah, a lot different topography to our place. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning this morning. Let's see what we can find. What do you think, Corporal? We're going to come right today?
We come right today.
Let's give it a try. Okay, so he's out there, there's not much, he's moving a little left, there's not much cover. We'll just stay single file, you know, just bend over and walk, see how close we can get. Right where that brown stripe disappears behind the shoulder. That was a damn good shot, boss. Well done. Congratulations. Well done, man. Good shooting. Tell me what it smells like. Try again. Doesn't it smell like cotton candy?
Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah.
Smells good.
It only happens when they die. They'll stand up and in about a minute or two it'll start going down again. Pretty cool, eh? Well, Joe is sitting with this beautiful springbuck that you just killed. We're actually driving the truck on our way down a fence line, and our man with the camera, Colin, spotted this beautiful ram out there. He was in this pan out here, didn't have much to work with to get in close. Got to about 200 yards and was about to set up the sticks. He was uncomfortable and he darted off. Stopped at about 300 yards, I set up the sticks, and in this pumping wind you made a phenomenal shot. Congratulations, boss, on a great shot and a beautiful springbuck. Well done.